Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word dynamited. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The old building was dynamited to make way for the new development. Dynamited in the sentence means that the old building was destroyed or demolished using explosives, typically for the purpose of clearing the site for redevelopment. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.